Nebraska looks simple on the surface, but the risk hides in how fast these numbers stop working in the real world. Nebraska requires 25-50-25 liability limits, and a lot of drivers assume that's enough because it sounds reasonable.
So on paper, everything checks out. They're following Nebraska law, got an active policy, and they're doing what the state asks of them.
Exactly, but Nebraska is an at-fault state, which means if you cause the accident, the financial responsibility lands squarely on you. Once those liability limits are hit, the rest doesn't vanish. It becomes a personal problem.
And with today's repair costs and medical bills, those limits can disappear pretty quickly.
Very quickly. One injury claim or a multi-car accident can eat through $25,000 before anyone even starts talking about legal costs. And that's where people get blindsided. They were legal, but they weren't protected.
Nebraska also requires uninsured motorist coverage. That's not an accident, right?
Not at all. It's there because uninsured and underinsured drivers are still a real issue. If someone without enough insurance hits you, that coverage is what steps in to protect you. Without it, you're stuck paying for someone else's mistake.
So the mistake isn't buying insurance. It's assuming the minimum equals safety.
Exactly. Minimum coverage protects compliance, not your finances. And the irony is that increasing coverage in Nebraska is often far more affordable than people expect.
As long as they don't just grab the first quote they see.
Right. You have to shop the market and compare carriers that price Nebraska drivers correctly.
Don't wait until after an accident to find out your coverage came up short. Click our quote button to compare Nebraska car insurance options and see what real protection actually costs.
Close the gap between legal coverage and real-world risk. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.